the boys survived the monsoon we had last night. Marty, I don't know why you came back inside, but okay. I'll come get you in a minute. Close the door carefully so as not to catch him in the door. Hi, honey. Hi, Morris. Come on up, bud. Yeah, I looked on Tempest, and Tempest said we had 1.9 inches, mostly before midnight, but a little after midnight. And there's some rain out there this morning, but it's north and south. So the rain gauge here is saying pretty close to 1.9 as well. I'm going to empty it now. I did not empty it when I looked about the 2/10 last night. The early rain versus the late rain. And this guy is also right around 1.9. So I'm glad everybody's in agreement today. Just shy of 2 inches. It was a significant rain. I will not have to water this morning. I will still need to refresh the cat water bowls. And Marty's like, hey, you left me inside. Well, you gonna come go on your walkabout? Yeah, he was not soaked through by any stretch, but him and Marty were a little wet when they came in this morning. I, of course, got a towel and fluffed them up and dried them off, but I suspect Stripe's probably ready to go back for his little walkabout now, and after he does his walkabout, he can come back inside. He's a lounger, big time. Tux's bed ended up on the ground last night and wet, so it's been washed and dried, and he's got a clean towel, and he's all set. It's just starting to rain a little bit out here. I said it was north and south. One of them must have drifted or something. It's very minor, but you know, you feel it on your face. Morris has gone to sleep back up in his corner. That's where he was all night last night. And I just let Marty and Stripe back in the house. Yeah, just a very light rain. If it wasn't still humid and mosquito-y, it might be nice to sit out here for a few minutes, but no. Good morning, Gray. How are you? Hi. There you go. How's my girl this morning? Huh? You doing good? Yeah, I was rubbing Stripe's belly. You smell Stripe? Cute. Cute. It's 78 and ultra humid out here, but we did have a momentary breeze that brought a few sprinkles down from the trees. Yeah. That felt pretty good. Bring it back, bring it back. Yeah. No grass mowing today because it's too wet and
it's holiday.
It's Labor a holiday. Day. Yeah, Dawn informed me this.
I can't work. No work today.
Yeah, Dawn informed me that I was allowed to use all the electricity I wanted all day long today.
Off peak today. The discount window still applies, but there's no peak today, so you can do whatever you want.
Okay. I can use 12-cent electricity instead of 8-cent, and you won't freak out?
Well, yeah, correct. It's 20. Peak is 26 cents, so yeah, it's
but what's the middle one?
That's right, about 13 cents.
Okay, 13 now.
It's 12 point something, but it basically works out to about 13 cents.
Okay. Well, if we have more rain this afternoon, it won't be a shocker, even though they're not really calling for it. So, I don't know. The sun's been trying to come out, and that just makes it all the more steamier, stickier, miserable. It's pretty quiet up here today. There's a few people at the splash pad, but not many. People were on the basketball court, but they've packed up now. So we met a nice retired gentleman, older gentleman up here, and he's part of the greater Raleigh cleanup effort, and he also helps to service gas bluebird boxes and other bird boxes. He talked about a project where they put them up at Crowder Park and over by Lincoln Heights Elementary School, and seemed like a really nice guy. We exchanged information, and yeah, that was a good connection to have made at the park.
Yep. Yeah.
It's not just me and Dawn.
Yeah, there are a few other nice people who, you know, take pride in their community and clean up after their fellow man.
Oh, I'm betting they missed the cat cafe. I'm just telling you, they missed the cat cafe and they're turning around. Although, it's closed today. It's closed every Monday anyway, and it's Labor Day. They're not open today. They come in, of course, and clean up and feed the kitties, but they're not there today for serving coffee. And they are now also serving coffee drinks and not just boba tea. They've got fraps now too. They were advertising pumpkin spice and caramel fraps. So
yeah.
Well, I mean, I'm torn between thinking that drinking sugar-laden drinks is evil and wanting to support the cat cafe. So if you're gonna get a sugar-laden drink anyway, then go to the cat cafe.
Yeah, versus Starbucks.
And if you're not, then you can still visit the kitties, and you can stop in there and buy great cat merchandise, which is what Sam and I did the other day.
And they make way more money on that.
Yeah, I don't know, but theoretically, yes. And you know, I think stopping in to look at the latest merch is, you know, equally good, and or facilitate rescue, who's their partner. You know, donations are. I still am all in on the SPCA of Wake County and the great mission that group does. But for this little corner of Fuquay and Harnett County, Facilitate Rescue they're also the ones that are up at PetSmart with the kitties and having volunteers come in and hosting the adoption events up there. So I also feel good about supporting them through the Cat Cafe. We're back from our walk, and it's 1:30. I've got a busy afternoon ahead of me. I am going to pack up some Lego, move some Lego, clear the table. Well, you know, there's a few things that stay, but mostly stuff gets cleared. And get the Halloween tablecloth on over here, and maybe some Halloween things moved to the table. We'll see. I mean, this could easily take 3 hours. Well, we'll just see. And I got to be careful with some of it. Stripe was in here while we were walking, and nighttime and midnight have both been up to see him, and he's waking up now, and he'll do his check of the food bowl, and then he'll probably ask to go out, which is fine. So this corner of Johnny's room is going to get rearranged mostly. It's blocked on purpose, the stairs, so the cat won't go up there at midnight. So he won't go up there because Johnny wants him to stay down and sleep with him. And I plan to leave it piled high with stuff on purpose, but a different stuff. So yeah, there'll be different stuff in this corner, and the roller coaster's going there. They're getting pretty weak now, but it's going on, let's see, 3:30. So they've been on almost 48 hours, like 45 hours. So they've lasted pretty good. I'm going to go plug them in. When I put my train on the track, I do always spin it around a few times. I'm hitting the button. That's once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's a stop button, and you can reverse it. Gotta play with the trains. That's usually where I park it. It's going on 6 o'clock, and I'm stopping for tonight. I got done what I wanted to get done, and I'm tired. Dawn helped me move that building, the Mystery Mansion, and the pumpkin out of the green room, Johnny's room. They were up on the shelf in there, and that's good. I need to repair the plane, which is from a different Scooby set. You see, I've got the Mystery Machine and the plane. I'll fix the plane, I swear. I've been needing to fix it for over a year. This is set 1382 from 2002. Lego Studios Scary Laboratory is what that is. That's pretty cool. I found everything. I had to go look for one more box to find this pumpkin. This is from Bricker Parker. Yeah, so I still have this mushroom house coming from the sale on Bricklink, not from Lego store itself, but Lego affiliated Bricklink. And that would look great, but I don't think it's due before Christmas. So probably that's going to be a put together next year to go with the mushrooms that are on these pumpkin sets. But if it comes before Thanksgiving, it's all fair game. I am planning on getting the Nightmare Before Christmas set, which goes on sale, I think, tomorrow. And I probably have just enough room for it here. Wouldn't want to leave too much room. I can always pack this back up. This is like a really antique, vintage, historic set. And out for a little while is good, but it wouldn't break my heart if it went back up and was restored. This is a lamp I haven't had out before. I got from Guardian Angel sometime over the summer. And I think it was supposed to have something else in the top of it, but I think I paid a couple dollars for it. By itself, it's pretty cool and it color changes and everything. I just don't know if it's going to come back on with the light switch, the A plug or not. So anyway, this is what I've got. Here's my cute little black cat and mouse. That was like my favorite little build from last year. And I did this house and that last year, and then maybe this sometime during the year. So a lot of this was new. But anyway, it looks like Halloween all in the kitchen now, and I'm happy. And see where that big bin of Ziploc bag Legos thing is gone? Well, I got that sorted out too. The cottage went up there. The carousel that was on the tables where the cottage was. You can see there's space up there now. Since those 3 builds I pulled down, they need to go back there. So that's not... I could pack up the Flintstones and probably get another couple of builds over there, but not today. There's the roller coaster. These are like Johnny's Lego bins. There's a lot of Bionicles there. And the stuff that was on the floor in the living room is mostly in these 3 bins right here. So the cat still can't get up there, but I can get to the Lego bins I care about better. Basically, I traded Lego bins for the box. The box and the Lego bins sort of traded places. Anyway, Don can almost get to the electrical panel. Well, at least your very busy wife was not too busy to cook you up a big steak with eggs and bacon on the side.
That's right. Yum.